Alright, here we go. Right there. It's a 3-piece thing, okay? It need the second one. That's why it's the second one. You see what finger that is? Because anytime that second piece break, this what it look like. Okay, that's how I got to get to. That's that second piece. That's with the piston going up and down. But the way they had it, the piston was a little slight crooked going sideways. But by the shaft that is going up and down you gotta how can I say that? It forced itself to work right, but now I got a small gap with air in it, and it's kind of like broke. So, and see right here, that's the roller weight assembly. It need a new belt. As you can see, I'm gonna show y'all real close. The belt is through. I'm only gonna ride it up and down the street. This the good side. That's the terrible side. That means the belt is about to split. Cause it was immersed in oil from the leak coming from let me see. From behind here. Changed all that. The oil seal, crankshaft barbarians, nothing wrong with the clutch, the air box, that's nigger rig. Just for a minute. And cause I don't have the cover on my belt shit, the kickstart. None of that is in there. None of that. I'm just running it straight off of the belt. Okay? Alright. And that's where your roller weights go. And you need those two right over there. Yeah, damn, I can't even see it in the back anyway. Okay, that's what it is right there. See that? Anytime you see 157 QMJ, you got a 150cc. Okay, let's get up here. Right there. Okay, let's see. So now we're gonna attempt to start it. So we're gonna set it to 12 volts. And here we'll start this again. Let's see what it's gonna do. On. All they doing is charging the battery, but the battery is no good when it look like this with that shit coming out of it. I ain't finna touch it. And you can see corrosion down up in there a little bit. Let me get a bit. See the screws? This is how I bought it, bro. I ain't even finished with it. See that corrosion on the screws down there? That's a problem. I'm gonna clean all that out. Corrosion right here. Right there. That corrosion. See that? Need a new battery. Other than that, it wanna run. And it sounds kinda cool. It's not knocking. It's not ticking real hard. This your idle screw. You wanna turn that down a little bit. Okay. And the original airbox is on. Original. I got something coming off the eBay. Rebuild. And it's on E. So, well, let me show you. Maybe we gonna go put some gas in it. $1.50 something. Hell no. I rebuilt the whole motor for this, dog. If I tell you what I paid for it, y'all to be like, this nigga crazy. Crankshaft, my bad. Crankshaft barbarians. No good. It make your shaft jump up and down. And it tears up the piston, and that's about all I can see it tow up is the piston, and the other sprockets on the shaft start to slide in and out this way due to the fact the barbarian's giving way. I can only explain it with one hand. I got this lighter in my hand. Hold up. All right. That's what it is.